In macOS 26.2 Tahoe, we now have a Finder View option that will automatically resize Finder columns to fit the longest file or folder name within that column. In this Iceland Scans folder, we have 4 files. 3 of them have characters removed because the column isn't wide enough. Of course, I can click and drag on the column to make it wider and fit the file names. But bring up the View Options panel, either from the View menu or with the shortcut Command-J. Check the Resize Columns to Fit File Names box. And now as I select each folder, the next column automatically adjusts to the length of the file names within each folder. There is a limit to how wide the column will expand to. Let's increase the length of the file name for this presentation. We can get this close to 255 characters, which is the maximum file name length in macOS. To get the column width to adjust, we need to leave the folder and come back to it. This might seem like an oversight, but I think it's good that the column width doesn't change anytime the file name length is adjusted. When we come back to this folder, the width of the column is increased, but not to include this entire very long file name. It's including about 60 characters here. Expanding the column to include all 255 characters would make it ridiculously wide. I really like this option as it makes longer file names instantly readable without needing to manually adjust column width in the Finder. Learn much more about using the Finder in our macOS Core Concepts tutorial. Thanks for watching.